This is very pretty.
Wow.
I wonder if you can actually, can you open it? Oh, she's tight. Oh, that's scary.
I love those basins. They're like our Robert Potter ones.
Hey Tam.
What?
Can you get me some toilet paper? I can't.
Oh, the niches are flashing. The disco niches. Look. Boots, 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 boots.
There's so much room for activities in this shower.
You could do lunges.
I could do lunges.
Yeah.
This would have taken ages to lay. It would have been really time consuming.
Well, this shower screen's 10 mil off the edge of the tile. This one's like 25. Paddle pop sticks, that's a nice feature.
The toilet's half silicone.
It's a nice space. Would you be happy in a pink bathroom? Not that there's any...
Yeah, if it was all pink, no, but I like that. Yeah, I like that.
It's a very cool curved wall though.
Oh, it's
That
incredible.
looks amazing. I mean, I know how much work went into this week.
Yeah.
They did an amazing job.
Lovely, I love it.
The design of the room is beautiful, but the execution, I don't think they've, but in all honesty, the time, like I know that they're on a time restraint. So to get what they've done is freaking incredible.